Yeah, it's funny because everyone goes at this and they thinks that the challenge is technology and it's getting the right tools in place and it's, making sure they're all rigged up to work. At the end of the day, the technology is very robust. The single biggest challenge I see organizations running into is their people. And there's a saying in the book, which is technology is easy, people are hard. And when you try to think about how do you change behaviors for a hiring manager, a developer, that have been built up, routines, behaviors, patterns that have been built up for decades, it's really, really hard. And that's where the heavy lifting is. And I learned that. I'll give you an example. Early on in kind of this evolution of tools, I was interim CTO for a company. Copilot chat is a game changer for coders, and it's even better. Cursor is another tool that's emerged that makes developers 2x developers. So I thought it'd be really easy to get developers to use a tool that could double their throughput, and it wasn't at all, right? We did carrots and brown bags, and we did innovation awards, and we got only a third of the developers. We then moved on to sticks, and we started baking to their performance evaluations and looking over their shoulders. And then finally, I had to tell them, hey, you're not going to be replaced by AI, but you might be replaced by someone who uses AI. We baked it into job descriptions, and that's when they got it. So I tell everyone going into organizations and parachuting in, I tell them right off the bat, I know what your biggest challenge is. It's not going to be the technology. It's going to be change management, executive sponsorship, willingness to adopt these tools.